Okay, today we are going to see about strings. So, what are actually string? String is a group of characters that is commonly known by everyone. But actually, string is a group of characters that ends with a null character. So, what is a null character? In ASCII values, you can find a character called /0 is equal to null. So if any string, if any array values that ends with a null character, that is known as strings. So there is a phase also existed. Every string is an array, but every array is not a string. You understand, right? What it actually means because just look this example. If I don't include a null character, then it is a array but not a string. If I include a null value, then it can be known as string. So we can able to declare a string value, initialize a string value like this, or else we can able to use double quotation. You may ask, so where here null value exists? We don't mention null value, right? So for the purpose only we are using double quotation. Double quotation automatically assign the null value at the end of the statement. So here automatically null value will be included. So this is how we will declare the array, declare the string, and this is how we initialize the string. So just consider how we can able to print in array. In array, if I need to print an array of elements, how I can able to print? I can go for loop and then int I is equal to 0, semicolon I less than size, semicolon I plus plus. So this is the format we will perform, right? But here we can also do like this. How I can able to do like this means for loop open bracket int I is equal to 0, semicolon I less than I. Here I don't use I less than. Instead of using I less than, I am going to use not equal to null value. Why I am using not equal to null value means because every string going to end with null value. The last value going to be null value. So when the last character comes means automatically the condition will becomes false. Then and we will print the array elements. But here, so this is how this is the process will happen in %s. So %s format specifier is used to print the array elements. So this is how internally %s will work. Okay, in case I need to read string values from the user, how I can able to go for? First I will go for hashtag include less than stdio.h greater than symbol into main open bracket close bracket open curly braces character, and now I am declaring the character variable, character string variable, string variable. How I can able to declare a string variable? First I need to mention the data type. The data type must be always a character. So after declaring the character, next I am going to name the string name. After giving a string name as str, next I am going to assign square brackets. Inside square brackets we need to write a lim size. So how many size I can able to write? I can go for 100 is equal to, here I have so this is how we can able to declare an string. So successfully we declared a string. Now next step we need to get array, get input from the user. So in string how we can in array how we can able to do this? Again we can go for loop with the help of for loop, and inside for loop we write the scanf statement. So one by one we can able to store it in the array. But here we can use %s. So scanf open bracket percentages close bracket comma 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 wait just comma array. So that's how we can able to comma str close bracket semicolon. So now we will run the statement, but if but only one word, if we use this method, only one word only it takes, not I. If I just consider I hello I space hello space world, so here it takes only the I word only, so this is not good. So we can go for selective scanf. What is selective scanf? Selective scanners will go for, it will able to collect all values until not equal to /n, until not equal to /n, and it can able to take all the include space also it take. So I space it take hello it take space take old take. But if we press enter means or next line, then it will automatically terminate it. So this is how selective scanf will work. Next, how to find the length of an string. How we can able to find the length of a string? So here we are declaring I'm going to use a function name called my underscore str length. So first I am going to read in the value from the user. Next I am calling the string value. Here how I am returning the value. I am returning the value as int. Next I am inside int I am going to declare a variable L is equal to 0 until first this I plus plus is used to count the length. This s plus plus is used to shift the array. So it will use to go to the next element and next element until what? Until null if null element occurs means 0. Instead of, we can also go for we can able to write yes only. Why I say yes we can able to write yes only means because if star yes comes means when last value going to be 0, right? So null value, right? Null value equals to what digital 0, so terminated automatically. So this is how the program. Lastly we will return L. This is how the program is work. Now I need to copy a string value, array value from one array to destination array. How I can be able to do this? Okay.